Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use Gemini in Gmail. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all navigate to Gmail. After you navigate to Gmail, you'll have to simply click on this Gemini icon at the top that says Try Gemini. So if you have updated your browser to the latest version and you're visiting Gmail, you will see the Gemini button just right here. Click on it and you can easily generate your next big idea with Gemini here in this field. Now, you'll have to simply click on Try It Out button and it is going to open up another page. Here, you'll have to simply get Gemini in Gmails. Here, you'll have to simply click on Get Offer and you'll have to add a payment method to your Google account, complete the payment and you will get free trial for Gemini just right here. Then you can easily click on this button and you will get an area where you can write anything and ease your task with Gemini. So that's the simple way through which you can use Gemini in Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.